Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will learn Theorem 1.4 of real numbers. Theorem 1.4. Theorem 1.4 says that root 2 is irrational. We have to prove that root 2 is irrational. So let us assume that root 2 is rational. So therefore, root 2 is equals to a by b, and a and b are co-prime numbers. It means that they have one common factor, that is 1. So now take b with the root 2. So it will become root 2 b is equals to a. Now we will square both the side. So squaring both the sides. Both the sides. Now we will square root 2b and a square. A. So we will get, if root 2 will be squared, then we will get 2. Then b square is equals to a square. Okay. Now what here we can see that a square is divisible by by 2. Okay. And if a square is divisible by 2, then from the theorem 1.3 we have learned that if a square is divisible by 2, then a is also divisible by 2. So let's assume that a is equals to 2c. A is equals to 2c. C is some positive integer. C is positive integer. Okay. So now we will put the value of a in this equation. So it will become like 2b square is equals to 2c and square. So now when we will further solve it, we will get 2b square is equals to 2 2s are 4, 4c square. So when we will cancel out, 2 will cancel and here 2 will come. So b square is equals to 2c square. So what we can see that b square is divisible by 2. So now if b square is divisible by 2, so b is also divisible by 2. Okay. Now this was our first conclusion which we have got here, and this is our second conclusion. So now from 1 and 2, it means that from conclusion 1 and then conclusion 2, we get that a and b have common factor factor 2. But what here we have done that a and b are co-prime numbers. It means that they only have one common factor, that is 1. So this contradiction This contradiction is arising by our incorrect assumption. We have assumed here that root 2 is rational, so because of that this contradiction occurred. Therefore root 2 is not rational but it is irrational. This was all about theorem 1.4. Let's meet in next